Hello everyone, myself Shruti. Today, let's dive into the art of recognizing love's color. You know, दिल पे ना किसी का बस नहीं चलता. जो अच्छा लगता है वो हर हाल में अच्छा लगता है, भले ही वो जैसा भी हो. एंड कई बार कोई हमारे लिए इतने एफर्ट्स करता है बट इसके बावजूद भी हमारे मन में उसके लिए फीलिंग्स नहीं आती. इस पोइट्री के ज़रिए मैं आपको यही समझाना चाहती हूँ. एंड ये इंग्लिश में है तो आप थोड़ा ध्यान से सुन लें. हाँ, ओके. I loved you in the silence, a love you could not see, a flame that burned in shadows where only I could be. I gave you all my tender hopes, and in your hands they died. You never turned to hold them, you never even tried. But there's a heart that beats for me with care and endless grace. A love that mirrors all I sought in your indifferent face. He sees the words I could not find in all the tears I shed. He offers me the shelter that my broken heart has bled. But here I stand, confused, torn by love that doesn't grow. For the one who gives me everything, yet I can't let feeling show. His kindness is a gentle balm, his respect a priceless gift. But my heart remains a prisoner of love that won't uplift. I wish that I could love him back the way he deserves to be. But the chains of unrequited love keep holding on to me. In this tangled web of hearts, two souls are left to bleed. One that earns for what it cannot have, and one that fills a need. Yet, here I stand, lost between a love that's gone astray and the one who waits with open arms as I push him away. As I push him away. एंड देन हमारी सबकी लाइफ में एक पॉइंट आता है जब आपको फील होता है कि ये जिससे मैं प्यार करती हूँ वो रेड फ्लैग है. आपको फील होता है दिस इज़ नॉट मेंट टू बी. एंड देन आप अलग हो जाते हो. डिफ़िकल्ट होता है बट आपको होना पड़ता है. एंड वो जो फीलिंग्स होती हैं वो इस पोइट्री के ज़रिए मैं बताऊंगी. एंड ये भी इंग्लिश में है तो They told me you are not right for me, that I should walk away and let it be. But stubborn I was. I refused to hear, determined to prove that you were sincere. I wanted to show them that not all men are the same, that you were different and this wasn't a game. I wanted to believe in the goodness you had shown, wanted to prove you were not like others I had known. But now, as the truth unfolds, I see the story that's been told. Those warnings I brushed aside in pride have come true, and now I cannot hide. The jokes is on me, they were right all along, and I was foolish, singing the wrong song, trying to prove you were someone you are not. I ignored the signs, gave it all I have got. But here I am, standing alone, realizing the mistake was my own. I wanted so much for you to be true, but now I see the joke is on me, not on you. The joke is on me, not on you.